In a world where AI and machine learning are reshaping industries, some fear the impact on jobs. But let's draw parallels to history, where calculators once disrupted math but ultimately made mathematicians more valuable. Similarly, AI is not a threat. It's the new calculator, multiplying human potential. Just as calculators eliminated manual calculations, AI is automating repetitive tasks. In the wine industry, technology didn't replace grape pickers, but enhanced efficiency, reducing night shifts and allowing workers to focus on more complex tasks. In cybersecurity, AI helps highly skilled professionals. By automating tedious tasks, it empowers experts to concentrate on critical issues, responding to and preventing cyber threats. The workforce evolves, becoming more effective and adaptive. AI's impact extends to the advertising industry, where it fosters growth. By utilizing machine learning to compile data, companies can make better informed decisions. The result? Exponential benefits and increased efficiency. Collaboration is key in the hyper-competitive world. AI facilitates effective communication and teamwork, learning and adapting through continual feedback. It identifies intangibles crucial for successful business relationships. AI is not about subtraction, it's about addition. The evolution from calculators to AI doesn't replace humans, but amplifies our capabilities. Just as calculators evolved, AI is propelling us into a future of innovation and unforeseen possibilities.